Alright, what we see here is our little thing we made. It's a clear tube with constellations on it. So we put two tubes into it, and a bowl up in the top with a rubber grommet. Anyway, it's a little surgical medical shit. I don't know, TV. Anyway, we got a little bit in there and we're gonna try it out.
Did you get your thing from down yonder? I didn't give you a calculator? No, I didn't do that. Wow. Did you know that?
And we're back after some complications. Someone interrupted. Anyway. Yeah, we all back. Okay. Do this shit. Yeah, it's working pretty good. Keep bullet till I let off. You good? Cover. So that's how we clear it. That was pretty fucking badass.
Yeah, it's pretty big.
Beastly. That's how we do.